What's up guys, Girl in Grease here and back at you with another video on my SRT. So one of the few purchases that I made originally when I bought the Jeep was I bought a dash cam. And because obviously the Jeep didn't come with one, I wanted to have something in the event that, you just want some video footage of whatever. And so this video I'm doing right now is going to be a video on how I routed my dash cam in my Jeep. It was quite the process, so I've got everything kind of pulled apart here for you to kind of take a look at what I did and how I got it fitted. So right now, let me flip you over. So here's my dash cam. I've got it nicely secured in here. And here's the line. Now, it was pretty tricky to figure out how to get the cord from just hanging out because the outlet is down here. So I have to somehow to figure out how to route it all the way around down so that it pops out down there. So without further ado, let's get into it. All right, so as you can see, I've kind of tucked it all inside here and I'm gonna poke it down. If you see there, I'm gonna tuck it in behind, just like that. And then I'm gonna run it all the way down the pillar, just like that. So once I've got to here, I'm gonna tuck the line in, down in here. But you get to this one section here where you had to pull the side panel off right here. Now it's all held in by these little tiny clips that you can see. So all you have to do is just give this a pull and everything should come apart. Should be super, super easy. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna tuck this line in like that. Okay? Then the next step you're gonna do is, it's kind of hard to see, but you see there's a little hole right in there? You're gonna fish the line through, but you wanna make sure that the line is on the back side of the clips, so when you secure this back in, it'll all fit nicely, just like so. Just like that. Then, when it comes through, you want to route it behind here. So what you had to do is I had to take the glove box off, and it was super, super easy. There's a little tiny retractable clip here that you can just undo on the side of the glove box, which is right there. Then you just squeeze the sides of these little clips, out of these little notches, and the glove box comes off. Then there's another little piece here that these little grooves go right up inside there. All you have to do is just pull on that and it comes right out. So these two pieces have to come out first before you can route the line. But as soon as you get the line through the side here, route it on the back, down, and it should pop out right here. So as you can see, there's the line. Push it through the side and down through that hole, and then it should come out through the bottom right here. Then the next easiest step to do is the panel that's held into the side here is all done by little clips as well. So you have the line that comes all the way through here. Now I wanted it to come up right through here. So what you have to do is just take this little piece here, pull up on this, and then this whole piece actually just pops right off. It's all held in just by clips. Then I just snugged the line through here just like that, underneath, and then boom, it pops in right at the bottom here, so it'll be perfect to plug it in. So the next best thing to do is figure out to make sure that all of this stuff gets snapped back in, and then we will be good to go. Let's see if it all hooks back in. This is all good to go here. All this fits. So we're just gonna take this, plug that in. And she boots up. Now I just have to put the glove box back together and make sure all the lines, everything gets snapped back in. All these panels are pushed back in properly. The line is nicely tucked away. And this we'll fix with just a little bit of 3M tape just to make sure that the line doesn't come out the top here. And we are done. Well guys, thank you so much for watching this short little video. I hope you enjoyed it and hope it was helpful, that if you have a dash cam and you're looking to route it, that this kind of gives you a little bit of an insight on how to do it. If you did like the video, please give it a like and subscribe if you want to see more upcoming videos, and we'll catch you next time.